How to duplicate campaign on Google Ads. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can duplicate campaign on your Google Ads account. So to do this is very simple, okay? Just watch this video to the end. Now, the first thing for you to do is to log in into your account, your Google Ads account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your own page or to your page where you would see your account, and then by the right side of the screen you would see your profile, notifications, help, refresh, appearance, etc. And then by the left side of the screen you would see some icons displaying create, campaigns, goals, tools, billing, admin. Alright, so the next for us is to click on campaigns. Once you click on campaigns, a box will be displayed showcasing some options such as overview, insight and report, campaigns, audiences, keywords and content, then change history. And next for you to do is to click on campaigns. Once you click on campaigns, a menu will be displayed under campaigns. Select campaigns. Once you selected campaigns, you'll be taken to your campaigns page where you would see all of your campaigns that you've made for the past 30 days. So once you're on this page, the next thing for you to do is to check the box next to the campaign that you would like to duplicate. All right, once you check the box, you'll click on edit. All right, then once you click on edit, a drop down menu will appear under edit, and then in this drop down menu you'll see options such as resume, enable, remove, and then copy. Click copy. All right, once you select copy, the campaign will be duplicated. Very simple. So go ahead and try it out today. Thanks for watching.